Benidorm is full with color these days. Today is going to be the last day and all these monuments will be burned to the ground. But don't worry, it's not something eccentric. It's a typical thing that we do every single year during the Fallas in Valencian community. This year, I have to say that we've seen quite a lot of things, and this one is very, very interesting. This is what our favorite, probably, sculpture of Fallas, the monument, which is called Benidorm. It's all about Benidorm. It's Benidorm, salt, sea, and dreams. The broken dreams of some people, and knowing what Benidorm went through these past months, probably this is why. And it also shows tourists in Benidorm town. So it's actually interesting how all these monuments do reflect what's happening in the city, in the country, or in the region, or even in the world. This one is for Benidorm town specifically. And these monuments will disappear this night. Today at night, they're going to be burning them to the ground. There's one slightly higher up, and there's one on the Rincon de Loige, and then there's baby ones too. I feel like this year we are not crying/laughing as much on the problems as the previous years we were. This year they're more lively, they're more fun, they're more colorful. They always are, but still it's interesting to see what people think and what bothers people the most. By the way, today technically is the last day of winter in Spain. Starting from tomorrow, even though the calendar spring, cameras everywhere, even though the calendar spring started already like 20 days ago, almost a month ago, but only today is the last day of winter. And tomorrow, we're supposed to start this real spring here in our area. And just in a few days' time, well, in April already, technically, about 20 days from here, we will have the All Saint Week, which is Easter week too. So there's going to be even more celebrations here in the area. From now onwards, it is on. More and more people will be here each and every single day. And honestly, by the way, today you can see there's quite a lot of shops closed, especially like bigger shops and chains. And that is because today is a holiday. It is not a work day. Kids don't have school today or tomorrow. So it's like a long weekend. Many people do also take it, but bars, cafeterias, bakeries, coffee places, these are actually open because that's their busiest work days. When all the rest of the people are off and they want to spend a lovely day in the city, grab some drinks, snacks, food, have a walk and enjoy with the family. Today, apart from being a autonomic holiday, which is in the whole Valencian community, it is also Father's Day. So happy Father's Day to all of you who have kids. And this is a very special day for a lot of people. That's when families gather together and just enjoy this day as one family. So we will definitely be able to see probably slightly more people here on the streets of Benidorm town. We already see quite a lot of people with kids, but technically, all those who work in the tourism industry sadly do not have days off because, well, this is the busiest time for them to work because all the rest of the people will be about and around enjoying. Some of the places are actually open, like the Skechers shop, which is actually very strange because all the rest of the sports shops are closed. However, as mentioned, touristic place. We do not live as the rest of the areas. We do not function as the rest of the villages that are in a slightly less touristic place. Even look at that, they've put some ice creams already, ice cream places. Right now, we'll start seeing way more ice cream shops open. And they're going to be putting like the ice cream machines, like the fridges, ice cream fridges. Look at this, looks so nice. We're doing crepes right there. Ooh. This is lovely. By the way, here they have very, very good crepes. They have waffles. They're fresh. So they made them here from scratch. And the ice cream is also really good. So definitely, why not? if you're here in a town. We do have a favorite ice cream place, which is Amor Real. It's called Real Love. It's from the Triangular Square heading towards the Tiki, towards the Levante beach. And this is like authentic Italian handmade gelato. We absolutely love it. But as a second choice, it's actually not too bad here either. Jewelry shop is even open and shoe shop is open. That's interesting. See, being in a touristic place has its perks, and even on a bank holiday or like a regional holiday, there's always going to be people about and around, and many businesses will decide to open, especially if it's family owned place, if it's not a big franchise that decides everything from the top somewhere, look at the queue for ice creams. Wow, that's a huge shift. This is definitely a huge shift. Even though we've had some wind, and we probably will be having some wind this evening. Oh, we've been alerted about it already. We know. Ooh, look at that. Street performers. We love those. Definitely. So even though it's or not street performers. Yeah, they are. Yeah. Or no. Or if it's from the bar. Who knows by now? No, they are performers. Definitely. Right? I would say so. At least. I think so. Yeah. I would not be able to do it. I'm not as brave to do these types of performances, honestly. But there's people who are. There's a lot of artists, photographers here. There's dancers. There's people swimming. Oh, how are you not cold? Let me know, because I'm not too sure. I would be shivering and blue or red by now. It is so cold. What? I can only imagine that people would be coming from like cold countries probably. If not, it just doesn't make any sense. You can see that it's people are sitting here, but it's not like it's hot day, So on the sunshine it's great, but not for diving into the sea like this. People are surprised. And it's normal. I would also be surprised. It's quite cold. Street artists, definitely, that's a thing here. I've seen a lot of groups that are like performing tricks here on the Levante beach too. We've seen some photographers that do like old style pictures, and people like it. People seem to actually like it. It's something interesting, something unusual that they're able to see. So hey, I guess why not? Oh, some ice cream. Oh, look at that. The Servent ice cream is still closed. That's interesting. That's actually quite interesting. Why is all the rest open that they're still closed? Maybe they're gonna be opening up by Easter holidays, probably. Some people at the beach, a little bit of waves actually. So there is, you can see that there's a little bit of wind. It's not very strong winds, so it's not like it's storms. Even though at some points it might feel like it, because it is quite unpleasant. The sun's already out the back, which means that it's the evening time. You'll probably see it in 1 or 2 hours from the moment that we will actually film it. But still, it's real day, same day video. The flags for St. Patrick's Day are still here. I guess since they made quite a big investment, they're going to be just leaving those here just in case, for just a few days' time. And there's even live music here. That's actually quite lovely. A lot of people enjoy these. Overall, very pleasant atmosphere, and it just feels nice to get Benidorm back and our usual Benidorm, because being gloomy, dull, dark, rainy, stormy, it's just not what Benidorm is, even though it's interesting to see it different sometimes and how the city survives different types of storms. But the real city is not that. It's this. It's sunshine, it's full terraces, busy terraces with some live music, some sports, screens shouting something, live performances, drinks, people having walks by the beach promenade. Oh, look at that. They're deflating a little bit, the balloons, but they're still here. Look at that. They even have horses. They have inflatable horses. That's fun. See? That's a thing. Like, that's fun. That's fun. But this is what it is. Like, all people are looking very surprised and shocked. But that's what Benidorm is. That's the essence. It's not everywhere, obviously. But Levante Beach, yes, you're able to see, like, fun things like these. And there's a little bit of everything, right? But it's very, very vivid. It's very pleasant to be here. The sun's shining back again, and it's just how we're used to see our city. And hopefully by now the weather is going to be way, way better. In theory, the anticyclone, the one that's supposed to protect us from the storms coming from Atlantic or from different sides, is there. It's working, and we're very happy about it. The only time that it might, and it typically does, rain and the weather is a little bit more spoiled, is by the, obviously, Easter week. That's when it might be raining. So April usually is like a little bit more of a rainy month. However, it did rain the whole month of January and part of February, so maybe it's all over. Who knows? Maybe it is gone, and it's gone for good, and maybe no more rainstorms will be arriving here, at least for now, which would be great for all those people who are arriving to our area. Look at that. So many bicycles. People travel with bikes also. Go-go dancers! They're back! Hey! That's soon, isn't it? That's actually very soon. What in the world? It is still, well, towards the end of March already, but usually go-go dancers are not back that soon, especially during daytime. Nighttime, maybe, yes, but
I hope everyone is fine, all good. Please, first of all, like and subscribe the channel. And whenever you are coming here in Penelope, 2 points, only €6. Enjoy. Thank you.
and our favorite public relations still here, still in Penelope. I feel like that's the best public relations that Benidorm might have, honestly. Like, I've not seen more energetic person and actually packing up the places. That's incredible. Absolutely incredible. So definitely a very pleasant place. The heartbreak's also busy. People are recovering after the St. Patrick's Day. Some of them stayed here for a slightly longer time. Others came just right now. See, people are having a lot of fun. And this is how we like to see our Benidorm town. Vivid and with incredible atmosphere and some sunshine. Stay tuned for more videos here on the channel.